Hey, this is Ernan over at Biggs Harley-Davidson. Here is a 2013 BMW R1200 GS Adventure. 90 years of BMW Motorrad Edition. This bike features low miles, only 11,400 miles. All the upgrades that you'd expect from a BMW GS. Overall in good condition. It's just awaiting our detail process. So come on down, be the first one to take a look at it. Just got cleared with our safety inspection. Everything is good to go. Nice low cost GS. Get out there and camp, go out in the woods, ride in the desert. Again, this is Ernan over at Biggs Harley-Davidson, San Marcos, California. See you soon.